Hey, good evening, everyone. So, yeah, yesterday we did some over trading. Initially, we made some nice profits, but we did too many trades. So let's try to stop at around 9:15 p.m. Central. So, do you think we can take a shot on GC? Actually, can come down. I'm taking a shot on GC. Let's take only one trade at a time. Just right. Still, sellers are in control. Sellers are in control. Sellers are in control. And then it should come all the way again one more time. So we can see a lot of sellers here. Your T5 is red, price pulse is red, everything is looking red. So we took a short. So we are expecting a double bottom here. Basically, right, we got a sell, we got a PP sell, everything is red, everything is red, everything is red, everything is red. So we took the short. Took profit on two contracts. We are holding one more. This overall trend is looking bearish. Yeah, I did one more contract. Mm, we'll take one position after other, so it will be easy for you to follow. If we take multiple positions, you may miss something. So we took GC short. We took profit on two contracts. We are holding. We should come and try to grab this liquidity. So if any of you are new, you can also wait. Let me just explain about top trend. That is another important indicator. So generally, right? So you have green and red color on the chart. Right? For some time, you forget about everything. So whenever you get a buy signal, but the background is red, that means you can ignore the buy signal. If you get a buy signal when the background is green, that is a good one. If you get a sell with red background, that is a good one. So here the trend is still bearish and it is in a choppy consolidation zone. So this is a bottom, this is a top, and your clouds are red. This is red, right? Orange, red. That means overall trend is bearish. So if the trend is bearish, we only look for the sell signals. If the trend is bullish, we'll only look for the buy signals. Right? If the clouds are blue, if the background is green, then we'll only look for the buy opportunities. If the clouds are red, background is red, then we'll mainly look for sell opportunities or short opportunities. Because overall trend is red and it is in a consolidation going up, coming down, going up. So there is a possibility for GC to come all the way. So this is where the support is, right? This is where the buyers are. This is where the sellers are. So generally, whenever you see if you get a sell opportunity here or here, the very good opportunities. If you get a buy close to this, that is a very good opportunity. So you should get a buy. The background should be green in color. Then you can go long here. So this is also one very good indicator where most of the yeah we used to use top trend. Recently we are using price pulse T3 T5 all these things, but yeah top trend is our one of the top indicators which we use. So, yeah, again, because there are some users who opted for top trend, so that's why, right, I'm just trying to explain it. I don't want to confuse anyone, but just I show different indicators so that whenever next monthly renewal is there, you can choose whichever you want like that. So, again, the trend is becoming bearish again, right? You can see the red color, right? And whenever these clouds are red and orange, they will act as resistance. When price is going to the top, they will push the price down. If the trend is bullish, they will act as support. If price is coming from the top, this will act as a support. But when trend is bearish, when price tries to go up, they will push the price down. Think them like sell order blocks. There are many members who are making a six-figure income. They use top trend. So, but yeah, some members said that for them it is little confusing. So that's where we developed T3 and other T5, all those things. But otherwise, this one, just by looking at the cloud colors, by looking at the background color, you can decide whether you should focus on the sell side or you should focus on the buy side. Right? If you see the majority of the chart in last half an hour, 1 hour, it is red color. That means overall trend is bearish. So you should only look for the sell signals, sell opportunities. If anyone entered a short on NQ earlier, right, yeah, here we got a sell signal. The background is red. The trend is red. Right. Again, the majority of the color is red. So you only focus on the sell signals. We got a sell and it is dropping. So it can come all the way to the down. If it again, if it goes all the way close to the T5, you can enter short one more time. Yeah, because overall trend is bearish. It came all the way down away from T5 line. So if it goes and touches that, we can enter short again. Most probably this cloud should act as a resistance and try to push the price down. So because the chart is mainly looking red, we will only look at the short opposite, right? If you look at last 30 minutes, mainly the chart is in red color. So you only focus on the sell offer. If you get a sell signal, we can get sell. That is also first to close GC and then go to the next one. Broke this consolidation zone. Okay, 150K comes, you can hold because overall trend is bearish. This will act as resistance. This will act as resistance. So if we get a T3 sell, we can add one more contract. For now, this will act as a strong resistance. It should come all the way to the bottom again. And that's us starting here. So first T55 will show the signs of trend change. Then T5 will show it. Then price pulse will show it. Yeah. Here we missed booking the profits. It went up. Again, I shorted one more. Again, I missed booking profits. Then suddenly there was a big candle. So we are holding it because I know overall trend is bearish. If you see the overall trend, it is bearish. So we are waiting for it to come all the way down. Whenever it comes all the way down, we can book the profits. If you see a sell signal on silver also, next few minutes, if it breaks the price pulse line, we can add one more position. Until it is above the price pulse line, it is bullish. But if it breaks it, we can add one more. Mostly it should come all the way down. So if you have 50K account, don't add one more position. If you have 150K, you can add. We also took this in the personal account, GC short. If any of you have personal IBKR or personal thinkers with, you can take a short. So at the same time, you can make money in personal accounts and your IBKR and your prop firm accounts. So I'm not taking any other positions, right? We'll take one by one so that you don't get confused. Actually, silver, copper, everything will drop now, just to avoid any confusion or our target is it should come all the way here to 2906. And, so it gave a sell, went back to T5, and again trying to drop. I'll add one more position. So our first target is this one, 2909.8. This is our second target. PC is dropping and silver also will drop. So shorting copper. If you have 150K account and in the evening time, if you find a good setup with two or three quantity, easily we can make $300-400. I took a shot on copper. Again, right, red background. You have red here or orange here. You have red here. Wind is bearish in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Also, it is bearish. It should come all the way down. Your GC is also dropping. Right? GC made already $100 profit, but it can make more. You can see there is a lot of gap here. So it should come all the way till this point. This is our support one. This is support two. If it breaks all the both, then it will come all the way to the bottom, 2907. So we can say complete bearish. Here red, here orange, here red. We got a sell. Should come all the way to the bottom. Now we have so we have yeah, with copper. It made nice profits. We can book the profits with copper. We took profits with copper. Gold also is making nice profits. Yeah. We can also book profits on gold. NQ also you can take profits. So we took profits on gold, copper, and also NQ two times. It came all the way to the bottom. So again, same thing, sell, red background, orange, red, red. So if you, it's all about matching the colors. This color matches with this, with this, with this. Then you can confidently take the signal. So sell, red background, red here, red here, red here. So same thing with copper. We got a cell, but immediately turned to red. Then this is red. This is red. It can come much further also. Yeah, that's it, everyone. So every day I will explain one indicator so that you can learn about each indicator and then you can choose whichever you want. Right? Every indicator will be very useful. So whenever you see some indicator, you feel like, yeah. So yeah, every indicator has its merits or has its. So by looking at this, by looking at the color, you know if the trend is bullish or bearish. If the trend is bearish, you will ignore the buy signal. If you get a sell signal, you take, right. You got a sell. Here also sellers. Here also sellers. Here also you see majority of the table is bearish. And then easily you can identify whether you should do buy or you should do sell. That is a major advantage with the top trend indicator. Right. Some of the new members asked me to explain about different indicators. So every day I'll explain about one indicator, how to use it, what are its advantages, how it is different from others. So anyone has any quick questions? I don't open only chat, right? I don't know if I please put in chat if anyone has any quick questions. Yeah, I close the limit order. Generally, you can use 3 minutes during non-US, 5 minutes during US time frame. Prism uses this top trend logic. Whatever top trend gives the buy sell, Prism also uses the same one. 3 minutes, 1 minute will have too many signals. 5 minutes is too choppy for non-US. So we'll go in between 1 and 5. Prism has the same logic of top trend. Yeah, I'll remove that thumbs down reaction thing. When using strategies, what is the best time to turn on? Uh, because I already gave multiple, right? I am trying to limit the number of earnings. If we give too many earnings and suddenly something market reverses or something, it is risky. So I'm trying to give 3 or 4 every day. This is by default color. You don't need to make any change. When you add top trend, you will get these colors. If you don't want these colors, you can always go to style and you can change them. Uh, yeah, AVGO, that is the reason because I saw the other three were completely very perfect put opportunities. So because MDB gave nearly 1000% today, so I thought like yeah, today also mostly we may make 400, 500% with HPE. HPE dropped so much. IoT, then BBA also dropped nearly 12, 13%. So all the three were perfect confluence, so we took that one. So for trend, not only you look at this color, you also look at the table, right? One is by looking at last 30, 45 minutes, you know whether we are in bullish or bearish. Second thing is if you look at the overall trend, the majority of this table is red. Or if you go to 1 hour time frame, you see that price is dropping, right? Price is below this. So you are below this line. That means it is bearish. If the candles are above the T5 line, we are bullish. If we are below, that means price will try to come all the way down. That is one more way you can understand what is the trend. And in trading view, you cannot place future orders on multiple tabs for different futures. You cannot do that. You have to change the ticker. So if you have the watch list, you cannot open trader weight on different but you can go and change the tickets. Right here you can go and you can write if I want to take in something else. Just you go and change the ticker and then you do a buy or sell button. If I want to take it on copper, yeah, you can use Ninja Trader for personal account. Yeah, yeah, super buy, super sell works in top trend indicator. Yeah. Again, as I said, top trend is very good indicator, but some of the users were not able to use it in right, so that's where we introduced ours. No, top trend is our first indicator actually. This is where we started. It is very good indicator. If you use it right, then yeah. If your background is red, you get a sell, then that will be a very good opportunity. And also if you are close to resistance, that is much more better opportunity. So here you are close to the resistance, you got a sell, background is red, your T5, T55 confluence, everything is a perfect opportunity. This red color, right? This red bar is the resistance. This bar is the support. So generally, if you get a buy signal close to this, very good opportunity. If you get a sell signal close to this, very good opportunity for shorting. All you need to do is wait for this position or this one, and then wait for a sell or buy. If we get a buy, again it will go up. So this is like a channel, right? This is the top of the channel. This is the bottom of the channel. Sheets. You mainly have. So either you can get any three indicators with three indicator plan. So tomorrow I'll explain one more indicator. Right, we have many good indicators. So while taking the trades, I'll also explain so that you can understand learn about each indicator. Uh, I'll take profits one more time. It will come all the way here. But yeah, right, again, once you understand, you can Same thing, right? You got a T3 cell. This is red, this is red, volume is red. Then you take the shot. So you got a T3 cell. This is red or red. In this time, we'll use 3 minutes. So we got a T3 cell. Here we have red. Here we have red. Or if you missed this one, you got another T3 cell. Again, here it is red. Here it is red. Volume is red. Then you short it. So again, every indicator has its advantages. So whichever you feel easy to use, you can use that one. Uh, yeah, you can set alert for T3 cell, T3 buy. Price pulse is very strong, right? It will filter out and gives the T3, T3, right? Price pulse will only give one time. T3 will give you, if you missed this opportunity, you can enter this opportunity. That is the advantage with T3. So for example, if you see price pulse, it only gave here until you get a buy, it won't give one more signal. But T3, you can see, right? It dropped all the way. Then again, there is a pullback. You might have missed this opportunity. Then you got another sell. Now you can see, okay, this is red, this is red, this is red, this is red. You can enter. That is the advantage with T3 compared to price pulse. VK, you will get any three indicators. You can choose which three indicators you want. We can remove everything else and this shows like the volume, right? So you can see that oh, nearly in the last 5 minutes, there are 90 transactions happened. Out of 90, there were some 100 buy transactions, zero sell transactions. Last 15 minutes, 94 transactions happened. 70 buys, 30% sells. Last 1 hour, 788. So if everything is looking green, that means there are a lot of buyers who are interested to buy. If everything is looking red, there are a lot of sellers. So it also shows how many more seconds for the next 1 minute, how many more time for next 5 minutes, like that. And you can change whichever time frame you want. If you want to change it to right, you don't need a weekly, right? Because you mainly do scalping, day trading. If you want, you can also change to 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you can save as default. You can change wherever you want. So based on that, you can right. All these are like your additional call. One is your price pulse T3 or top trend. They are your main indicators which will tell you whether buy or sell. Once you see one of them, right? Either you can see T3, you can see price pulse, or you can see top trend. And based on that, you will use these as the additional confidence. Okay, now I got a sell. What my T55 is telling me, what my T5 is telling me. If this is also telling sellers are in control, sellers are, then that is a perfect opportunity. Here you got a buy, but it is already at the top of the band. So it is risky to get a buy. So now if you get a buy, right, in next 5 minutes, we may get a buy on copper. Here it is showing blue. Here also, if this becomes green, then again it will go up. So like that, you can make nice profits every day. If you want to move it, then you just go. here, and here in the position you can say wherever you want, right? Bottom left. Then it will go here because you're if you want price pulse to change it to yeah. That's it, everyone. So can you know how to delete the alerts? So if you want to delete the alerts, you have to go here and you can delete. You can just click on delete, delete, delete. All the alerts will get deleted. Not right. You might have created alerts here. You can go and delete whichever you don't want. You can click on this, delete. That will delete the alert. Yeah, again, it's all about the confidence, right? Once you know that gold is bearish, even though it might have went up little bit, we know that it will come back, right? I told you different reasons because I see 1 hour it is bearish, the trend is bearish, the table is looking bearish. Because of all those reasons, we stayed confidently and it dropped all the way. Yeah, that's it, everyone. Tomorrow we'll talk again in the morning. Good night and yeah, evening time or early morning before market open, we use 3 minutes. Earnings alert, I already gave multiple trainings. I will give over the weekend. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Talk to you. So let me just give you a quick example. HPQ. So sorry, today it was HPQ. We saw there was a huge sell order block. This was bearish. This was bearish. You can see big sellers here, sellers here, sellers here. Trend is completely bearish. Then we got it and it went nearly 40% down from 18.5. Now it is 14.3. So the we got 18 put that will make 400, 500% tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. It is same logic uh, for anything, whether you use 1 minute, 5 minutes, daily, 1 hour. The logic is looking at the confluence between multiple indicators. If all indicators are telling the same thing, then there can be a big drop. If all indicators are telling it will go up, then it will go up. Yeah, mainly we need to look at daily, but if needed, sometimes we also look at 4 hours like that. Yeah, we need to use larger time frames. Good night, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow.